chickpeas, they've been soaking overnight. You can eat them. Not bad. They were soaking overnight, and in the morning they were soaked overnight, and in the morning I added more water. It was all the water was absorbed, and the level of the water was up to here. So this is a whole bag of chickpeas. Let's hope nothing gets spilled. Take the chickpeas. First, let the water come out. Okay. Perfect. Nice and soft. I think I will put some salt and start it. Something like this. You will have to boil these about 2-3 times. Rinse the water, remove the water, put more water a few times, just until the water is not dark anymore. Okay, so it starts to get foamy. Remove the foam. The water gets a bit brown, as you can see. Bowl. Try one. It's getting soft. A bit more time. But already delicious. Already started eating it. Don't know if it's good to eat them like this, but I eat them. Okay, change the lights in the meantime. So I think the chickpeas are finally ready. I think the hummus is about to be made. It's pretty soft. Oh yeah. Yep. It's all ready. Keep some of this broth. Keep some of this broth. This is the part where you put garlic. Put it in the garlic press. 3, 4, 5 cloves goes there. I ate all the garlic, I don't have any more garlic. So I'll put it later. Then there is the tahini paste. Make sure it's without that titanium dioxide. Don't buy tahini paste with titanium dioxide. It's only made to make it look more white. So yeah. See, not so white. This is concentrated sesame seed paste, tahini paste. All it's here is sesame seed and the sesame seed oil. Oh yeah. Extra virgin olive oil, not too much. If it's not juicy enough, add some of the broth. Let's get the blender. needs to be more juicy. More juicy. I think it's okay. Some pieces of chickpeas inside. Wow. Okay, blender is finished. Take a piece of pita bread. There's nothing like freshly made hummus. Wow. Clean it well. Don't waste any of it. Don't be afraid to use your fingers. So now, letting it rest till it cools down, blending it a little bit. There are still pieces of chickpeas, but I like it like this. I like to feel some textures in it. Makes it more interesting. So if it had garlic in it, it would be much better. But even like this, it's really delicious. throw it in casseroles, eat it with meat or falafel. You could eat falafel with this. Delicious. Wow.